In today's fast-paced world, digital skills are not just an advantage, they are essential for both work and everyday life. From sending emails to managing tasks to navigating complex software and online platforms, digital literacy has become the backbone of modern productivity. But how do you build these skills effectively? Let's embark on a journey to uncover practical ways to develop digital skills that can transform your work and life. Now, let's start with the basics. Why are digital skills so important? In today's world, technology is intertwined with almost every aspect of our lives, from communication to education and from business to healthcare. Digital skills empower us to: number one, communicate effectively across borders. Number two, access information and resources quickly. Number three, increase productivity at the workplace. And number four, explore creative outlets and entrepreneurship. Whether you are a professional or an entrepreneur, digital skills can open doors to innovation and efficiency. The future is digital, and it is time to prepare ourselves. Now that we know the importance, let us dive into the core digital skills everyone should develop. Here are some fundamental skills. Number one, basic computer skills. That is, navigating operating systems like the Windows platform or the Mac OS platform, using productivity tools like Microsoft Office or the Google Workspace. Number two, internet literacy. That is, searching for information efficiently by evaluating credible sources. Number three, communication tools. That is, using email platforms effectively, mastering tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. You may consider social media management, that is, creating and managing content on social platforms. You may consider engaging with audiences responsibly. Number five, cybersecurity awareness. Understanding online threats is a key role. These are the basics. Depending on your interest or career path, you might need advanced skills such as coding, data analysis, or digital marketing. Are you ready to level up? Here are some practical steps to develop your digital skills. Number one, set clear goals. Identify the skills in need for your career or personal growth. Leverage on online resources, that is, to explore platforms like Coursera, Udemy, YouTube for tutorials. You may also enroll on courses such as those on Google's Digital Garage or LinkedIn Learning. Number three, you must practice regularly. That is, to apply whatever you learn through projects or challenges or internships every time. You may also consider joining communities to engage in forums like Slack Overflow, Reddit, or local tech groups to learn from others. You must stay updated as well. Technology evolves quickly, and so you must keep learning. I know it is not always easy. Barriers like lack of access, fear of technology, or time constraint can hold us back. Here is how to overcome them. Number one, access free resources. Many free tools and courses are available online. Explore them. Take small steps. I want to repeat, take small steps. Focus on one skill at a time. Seek support by joining local workshops or ask for guidance from tech-savvy friends or colleagues. You must stay updated. Remember, everyone starts some point. As we wrap up, let me emphasize on this. Digital skills are not just technical tools. They are a gateway to creativity, collaboration, and endless possibilities. Whether you are a digital novice or looking to advance your skill, start today. The future is brighter when you are equipped to navigate it. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, learning digital skill is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, keep growing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next session, and let's continue to unlock the power of technology together. Thank you.